Hey guys, well I've run back over here to the library again just for a few minutes. Came into town and ate at the barbecue place, and I forgot my worms and bait and everything, and it stopped raining, so I thought I'd come out here and see if I can't find a fish or two. But I got some fat scraps from my barbecue brisket I had for lunch, so that's what we're gonna try for bait. See if these bluegill like them. I sure am seeing a lot of fish down there in that lower pond. They just don't look like there's any size to them. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bunch of bluegill right there in that little hole right there. Pretty cool. All right, let's go over here just to the dock and see if we can't catch a fish with this beef fat. Guys, there's my first bite on the beef fat. It kind of looked like it was a little catfish. Yep, that's what it is. A little channel cat. Snagged it. Get this guy up here. Get this hook out of him. There we go. Nice little channel cat. Back in the water. Reload with another little piece of beef fat, and we'll be off again on the micro 33s. Cut that little piece a little bit bigger than I usually cut it, but that'll be all right. We'll make it work. He was right here next to the dock. And that feels like another catfish. Came straight up out of the water. All right, there's fish number 2 on the beef fat. Nice little channel cat. All right, getting bigger. Let's throw this over there toward that tree and see if I can get it to stay on. I think it stayed on. And a lot of where you get your bites is if I've got that bobber out there, and let's say it's 8 feet deep right there, and I got that bobber set at 3 feet, well, the fish are probably all mostly down near the bottom. So that may be why I'm getting more bites close to the dock, because I'm actually closer to the bottom. But I guess that's not true. I don't really know how deep it is out there by the fountain. That I'm sure that's another catfish the way he took off. That catfish came up and found it. Of course, these catfish are smelling it too, probably. Yeah, that's a good one right there. That's catfish number 3 in about 5 minutes. I didn't bring anything down here but the fishing poles and the leftover scraps from lunch, because it was pouring down rain when I left earlier, so I didn't figure I was going to get to fish for a little while. Figured I'd go back to the cabin and get my stuff, but then it stopped raining and I had something to fish with, so here I am. Well, let's just try close to the dock again and see what we get. That beef fat doesn't sink very fast. It's trying to float back. Oh, somebody knocked it off the hook. It just floated back to the top. I saw a fish hitting on it. That might have been a bluegill. It's still sinking. I see it. It's really submerged about a foot under the surface, and it doesn't seem to be going down. I guess that fat content is high enough that it doesn't really want to sink. You can see it right there, just barely going down, and it reached a point it didn't go any further. It's trying to go on down. There's the fish has found it. Oh, that might have been a bluegill the way he acted. All right, well, get another piece. Try and get one or two more fish, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Got to go check out some more stuff. I want to do a video of the river over there with the waterfall. I got to re-rig the floating camera though. I had a turtle grab it last night and messed up the line, and then I messed up the retrieval cord on it, so got a little work to do to repair that. There's a bluegill. That's what I was thinking. Those guys were going to hit that too, so got Mr. Bluegill there. That's a pretty little bluegill. Whoop, back he goes. All right, one more fish and we're gonna call this done. Bluegill are already hitting that before it gets down all the way. They may get it off the hook before it gets tight. There they are. That's a nice bluegill right there. Look at that bad boy. Make sure I got him. That is a big old fat female bluegill, and they may be getting ready to spawn up here in North Carolina. It was 55 the other day when we came up here, and that was June 1st, so kind of cool for this time of year, but we are in the mountains, so that is a really pretty bluegill there. All right, guys, well, I think that's going to be a wrap for this for now, and we'll be back later. If you love fishing, please subscribe.